and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have tons and tons of cleaning motivation. We're going to be tackling my daughter's bedroom, doing a purge of a ton of our clothes, cleaning my kitchen, trying out a new cleaning product that I just ordered, putting out a little bit of Easter decoration, and finishing cleaning off my front living room. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Halina. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and home renovation videos. If you like this type of content, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I started this day off by tackling my daughter's bedroom. I had washed all of the sheets, bleached them, and now I'm just basically putting all of the sheets back onto the bed so that way she has fresh and clean sheets. I've also washed the duvet cover, so I will be putting that on in a few minutes.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. Get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. Everything clearer. Trying to fly cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time.
You guys can clearly see that my daughter's room is quite a bit of a mess. I'm not sure what she's kind of going through. I feel like it's a stage. She used to be so clean and organized, and now she's turned into this messy little thing. And it's funny because the roles have reversed. My son was always just like super messy, and he is so organized and so clean and just make sure his room is always tidy. So I'm hoping this is just a very quick stage and she kind of goes back into her very organized, tidy self that she used to be, because I really miss it.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous.
So I had a ton of stuff that I was purging through. My living room is honestly such a mess. We pulled things out of my husband's closet. We pulled things out of some of my closet. Some of my kids' stuff, which will go into storage just for a little bit, just in case we have more kids. I'm not really sure about that. But a lot of our clothes is going to be sent over to Poland to my cousins and relatives and family members, just because the stuff is really good still, and clothes are kind of expensive over there. So I'll be doing that. I also have a few things like decoration wise that are going into storage, and a few other things that probably don't look as great anymore are going to be donated to the thrift store. So I did a ton of purging. However, I still have so much more purging to do for spring. And you guys will see those in my next videos. I will be getting rid of a ton more things. I just feel so overwhelmed with having a lot of things, and just less is more. It's always the best. This here is my truck. It's actually partially loaded. I have all of this stuff that's going to be given away. I have more, some of those comforters are going to storage just because we're going to need them. But I've already filled up one truck full of stuff that I already went and gave away, and that's going to be sent over to family in Poland. My mom's actually making those packages because she's already got all of the stuff. She's got the boxes, and she's sending some of her things over. So we're just going to send like a few really good big boxes. Here I am just making my own cleaning solution. I'm using the Charlie's soap solvent, like multi-purpose cleaner, and I just have some water in there, and I have my favorite glass bottle that I actually bought those off Amazon, and I really like them. They spray really well. So I've kind of replaced some of my plastic bottles with glass bottles that I know will last a little bit longer. And then here I just had some steak marinated for dinner, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that away and start the cleaning upstairs in my kitchen, because it's definitely needs a good clean. I would love to hear from you guys. What is your spring cleaning routine? Do you guys do a lot of purging? Do you guys do a lot of cleaning? Do you guys do like exterior work, exterior cleaning? In our house, we do tons of stuff. I always do like a really big purge. I reorganize typically all of the cabinets, things that just may have gotten messy throughout time. I also go through all of the kids' rooms and just what they've outgrown. We get rid of that. I do a ton of outside work, so we clean all of the windows. We wash them about twice a year, inside and out. We do a very thorough clean. We kind of just clean every nook and cranny. Typically, we would touch up the house, the paint, things like that for spring. But as you guys know, we are currently living in a flip, so we won't be touching up any of the walls until we do move out of this house, and I'm not sure when that's going to be yet, because we still are in the process of looking for a house. I have my fingers crossed. Hopefully we'll find something soon, because we really would love a bigger yard. But let me know in the comments below. I want to hear, what is your spring cleaning routine?
Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listening to me crime. To get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down?
So I haven't started deep cleaning the windows just yet. Here I'm just kind of dusting because we had a little bit of dust. But when I do the windows, I do the windows all in one day, every single window at the same time. And I'll do it from the outside and from the inside. So I haven't just done that yet.
Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear.
I'm just throwing out a few decorations, but I had to end up stopping for the day because my daughter was so crabby, so I had to go and just kind of sit down and relax with her, and I finished cleaning the very next day. I hung out with my kids that night. I put them to sleep. I made them dinner before they went to sleep. So, you know, just being a mom, you can just never finish everything at the same time. At least that's how it is in my house. Like I said, I have 2 small kids. So just, you know, so many tasks are left incomplete until the very next day or just a few hours later, just because I have to do mom things. I have so many things to do with the kids. Sometimes they want to go and play, just play break, food, you know. You guys know how it is being a mom. I also have work tasks throughout the day that need to be completed, or just like work appointments. So a lot of my things get broken up, unfortunately. So I just ordered a new product. It's called the Pink Stuff, and this was actually shipped over from the UK. I bought this off Amazon, and it's my first time using it. I've seen so many rave and like amazing reviews on it. My first time, I'm going to try it on the sink here to get rid of some of the hard water stains, but this apparently is really good for pots and pans and just a lot of like really dingy metal materials. It's very abrasive, or not very abrasive, but it is abrasive, and it did end up working very well on the stainless steel sink. I am going to be using it to clean my pots and pans probably in the next video, so we'll give that a try. But so far I'm impressed, and like I said, this has huge reviews everywhere, and I will provide that link in the description below.
All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be.
One thing I want to add about this product, it does say it's environmentally friendly, it's non-toxic, it has natural ingredients, and anytime I can make a swap for something natural, like a natural cleaner, I will definitely do that. There are some just chemical cleaners that I do use because they work really well, but any little thing that I can swap for natural cleaners, I definitely always try and use that instead.
Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
I have some stuff, as you see in my pan, and that stuff is going to end up going into storage. That's just some of the Valentine's Day decor that I still haven't taken down, unfortunately, but I have just a little more to take down in my living room. Not too much.
All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
My Valentine's Day towels have to go, and I have to actually go and buy some Easter towels. So here are the jackets that I ended up keeping. I kept like one winter jacket for myself just because we are in the Midwest, and while today is 60 degrees, apparently in a few days it's going to snow. So the weather is super wishy-washy. And I just kept my kids' jackets. Those will go into their rooms. And most of my other winter jackets and my husband's winter jackets ended up going into storage because we're not going to really need them for the rest of the year. And we actually don't even have the space to keep them in our house.
Without you, there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best. the rest of our lives. Without you, there is no tomorrow.
This table definitely does not go or doesn't even look great underneath this TV, but this was actually from our last house, and this was actually in our office. But when we moved here, we were not going to buy any new furniture because, like I said, this was only a temporary house. We definitely will be buying new furniture or some new pieces when we move into our next house, whatever that is, because my couches in the family room are falling apart. I love white leather, and we used to do such a good job of keeping them super tidy and super clean before the kids came. But once we had kids, it just is so much effort and so much work to keep those couches white. I will definitely be buying leather couches again, but I just don't think I can do white until my kids are like way older.
We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you, there is no tomorrow.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of great things coming out. We will be starting that spring cleaning series that I'm super excited about. That should be coming out soon. Plus, I have a few DIY faux cake recipes that will be coming out too.